Howdy and welcome to Farmhouse Teas. My name is Cian Cosell and today I have my two daughters with me. They are going to help me make a turmeric latte. So let's get started. Today we are using our Farmhouse Blend Golden Turmeric Spice, and it's kind of like a chai tea made out of turmeric. When you're making a latte, you want to use twice as much tea as you would if you were drinking it by just a cup as itself. And so today we are using 8 teaspoons of golden turmeric tea, and I've got 4 in here already, so we're going to add 4 more. You want to put it in there?
Yeah.
Don't spill it. 2 hands. There you go. So today we're using our 1 pot of perfect tea spoons. That holds about 4 teaspoons worth of tea. And our water is almost done boiling. I'm going to turn the water off here, and you girls watch out because this is hot. So stand back here a little bit. You're going to want to use about 6 ounces of water for each cup of tea you're making. And we're just going to fill up the French press here. Look at that pretty yellow color. Alrighty, there we go. Now we need to let that steep. Now the steep time for this is usually 5 to 7 minutes. Don't touch, it's hot. But since we're making this a really strong latte, we're going to let it go a little over 7 minutes. So we'll just put our lid in to keep all the properties of the turmeric inside while it steeps, and push our plunger part way down. Alrighty, while that is steeping, we are going to warm up some coconut milk for this recipe that we're going to froth and add to our latte. And I'm going to grab our cups. Alright, here goes our milk onto the warmer. While we're still waiting for milk, we're going to get our sweetener of choice ready for our lattes, and we're going to use maple syrup. We're just going to use about a teaspoon in each. And our milk is almost ready, so we're going to set these aside for now. We're going to get our French press ready. So we are going to froth our coconut milk using a French press, and this is where you guys get to help. So you want your coconut milk warm but not boiling, and you can use any milk that you prefer. Okay. So this is just warm. I can stick my finger in it without burning myself, but it's still pretty warm. So we're going to pour this into the French press. And then we're going to put the press in the French press. And we're going to pump it up and down until it gets frothy like this. And that puts the air in there and makes it frothy. Okay? So you get a turn. You can yell up closer. Up and down. You have to do it fast. Alrighty, we're going to go ahead and put it in our glass. It is ready to drink. So first we're going to push down the French press and get that tea down to the bottom and separate the herbs from the tea we're going to drink. So you want to fill your cup halfway full with the tea. And then we're going to put a little of the milk in here, but we're going to take the press off so we can get the froth. And we're going to get the milk in here, and then we'll top it off with the froth. some of this froth in there. And there you have a turmeric latte, perfect for a cold, wet day like today. Alrighty, we have our turmeric latte and we are going to go have some tea time. If you want, you could sprinkle a little cinnamon on the top of that. It would make it even that much better. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget
to hit the subscribe button.
And
don't forget the thumbs up.
Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.
Bye.